In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view the size of your Acer's laptop, tablet, or desktop computer's hard drive. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says about near the bottom. And then scrolling down again, there should be something underneath related that says storage. Go ahead and select that. And then it should list your hard drive size up here at the top. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.